I'm going to make a really nice home-style lamb Rogan Josh. Home-style lamb curries in India involve lamb on the bone. Even if you just get lamb chunks but throw in a couple of lamb shanks with it, you're going to get so much more flavour. What I do is I go to an Asian grocer and I ask them to cut a shoulder for curry. I highly recommend that. That's when you really are getting into the nub of the Indian kitchen. So, lamb Rogan Josh, are you ready? We start the pan with onion, ginger and garlic, and away we go. You can go in with these whole spices. I go in with bay leaves. I go in with cinnamon sticks because you can dodge them. All of these big spices you can eat around, but they infuse such perfume. Black cardamom pods. Now, there's two spices that I'm going to add to this. This is all about getting that amplification of aromatics and punch. With lamb, you can take it. One of them is mace. Mace is the outside of the nutmeg seed, or powder, and I've got some powder here. And then the other is cloves. I'm going to go in with half a teaspoon of clove powder. I don't like putting whole cloves in because, oh my gosh, as a child I remember eating these curries in my auntie's houses and getting a rodge of clove in your mouth. I'm slightly traumatised by that. I want it delicate. Now for a proper Rogan Josh, it's all about the redness of this curry, so I want some extra paprika. So I'm going to go in with some paprika powder. Now I'm going to go in with my meat. So it's as simple as this. We go in with the meat, toss it through, and then we go in with our liquid, okay? So my pan's bubbling away now. The liquid that I added was a tin of chopped tomatoes. It's because what that does is you get that little bit of acidity, that little bit of sweetness. Rinse the tin and 2 cans of water to give you that liquid. Now this is a long cook because it's on the bone, because it's lamb. And you know it's done because it comes away from the bones.
So this is
Nice.
very nice. This
How's it, Zai?
nice, excellent.